Hello, I've been testing Peerless Assassin and Silver Soul from Thermalright with stock fan and also Phanteks T30, and I found they don't really make much difference. So it's good because you can use whichever you want to. Oh, and as long as you are using AMD CPUs, so I'm using 17950X3D, which draws around 140 watt. And when I was using Intel 3900K, those two CPU cooler showed some difference. I remember Peerless Assassin was like better by 2 or 3 degrees, but for AMD it doesn't matter, and I'm gonna probably just use T30 with Silver Soul, but the stock fan is also really solid, so you don't really have to change it. But the reason I'm gonna use this guy is because it's almost impossible to use this clip in this tight space. So if you use T30, it just sit between your cooler, and I'm gonna show how you should not mount this T30. So I was initially just trying to squeeze from top and messed up those fins a lot, and lately I found you can actually start from here. So if you insert from here, then you can just push this way, and I recommend this way, but to do this you probably need to remove the GPU first. So sometimes I'm lazy and I just squeeze from top. And for the Silver Soul, I found I can't use this technique, and I just it's stuck somehow. For the Silver Soul, I like just put from the top and just disrespect the cooler and put like this, and just hope it doesn't break. And the reason I'm using Silver Soul is that I was actually using this Fuma 3 from Size. I really like this one because it's shifted toward the back panel, I/O panel, so you can access the memory very easily. And I have 4 memory sticks, so I really like this one. But then recently I accidentally added another GPU, so I have 2 GPUs now, and I have radiator at the top, and I can't use Fuma 3 anymore. And then I found Peerless Assassin actually fits because it has this asymmetric design, and if you rotate by 180 degrees you can fit it very well. So I really recommend using Fuma's Peerless Assassin if you have something above CPU. And however, then I started to want to add some PCI card above the GPU, and if I use Peerless Assassin there's just not enough space, so I ended up testing this Silver Soul 135, and just like I said, as long as I'm using AMD CPU, they don't really matter. So I'm gonna just use this guy. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.